Hello, welcome class 4. Today we are learning basic English grammar and composition. Our previous class we have learned the WH family chapter 6 and now we are learning chapter 7 negative and positive sentences. Before we go into this topic, let me tell you what is a sentence. A sentence is which is having a complete meaning and a sense. Yes, a group of words which is having a complete sense and complete meaning is called the sentence. And a sentence is having two types, that is a negative sentence and positive sentence. Negative sentence and positive sentence. Sentences that tell something are called positive sentences. Sentences that tell something are called positive sentences. So what is a positive sentence? Clearly I can tell you that a positive sentence is believed to be a fact. Yes, a positive sentence is believed to be a fact. It means a positive sentence is a truth. Means a positive sentence is a truth. A positive sentence tells that something is so. Here the sentence positive sentence tells something is that. Okay, let me tell you what is the negative sentence. Sentences that tell something which is not true or incorrect are called negative sentences. Yes, the sentence which is not true or which is incorrect is called the negative sentence. So what is a negative sentence? A negative sentence that tells you that something is not so. It contains a negative word like no, not, never, none, nobody and no one. So you can see the sentence negative has no. The word includes no. Okay, the sentence may include no, not, never, none, nobody and no one. So this is what saying no is in a sentence is the negative sentence. Let me say, follow me the following examples with see positive statements. I am well. You can see it is positive statement, the statement which is giving in a positive way, it is true. I am well. But when coming to the negative sentence, we are adding not. I am not well means it's not in a positive manner. Not. You can see the second one. Nita is happy. And you can see negative sentence statements. Nita is not happy. So similarly, you can see the positive statements and negative statements. So follow the exercise. Mark the sentences as positive or negative. So you can see here the sentences given. You have to write the given sentences are in positive or you have to write the given sentences are in negative. You can see the statement which is telling something in a true, that is called the positive, and negative which is having no, not, never, none, that is the negative sentence. So mark the positive sentence and negative sentence. If it is in true positive way, you write it as a positive sentence. If it is in a negative manner, you write it in a negative sentence. So this is the first exercise. And second one, you can see here, rewrite the positive sentences given below into negative sentences. So once sentence is given, you have to change the positive sentence into negative. See, there is some milk in the fridge. It is true. Okay, means milk is there in the fridge. But you have to write negative. There is no milk in the fridge. You can see the second one. I went to watch the football match yesterday. So what you have to write? I went to watch the football match yesterday. So you went to watch. You have to write. Did not went to watch the match yesterday. Watch the football match yesterday. Santosh sits idle. Santosh sits idle. Santosh does not sit idle. You have to write in that manner, and similarly you have to write all the given sentences into negative sentence. So please write exercise Roman number 1 and 2 and compare the sentences given below. Here you can see page number 24. First sentence positive statement is I am enjoying cartoons. Negative sentence is I am not enjoying cartoons. So these sentences are giving the positive statements to negative statements. So change the sentences given below into negative sentences. So some similarly some statements are given, that also you have to change into negative. So these all exercises are similar, children. Please follow to write. Please read the questions and write the negative statements in the following. And you can see page number 26, change the negative sentences given below into positive. Means negative are given, you have to change into positive. Before you have done positive to negative, now you have to write negative to positive. Okay, write it in your textbook. Thank you.